everybody and welcome back to the Bunny House channel, part 3 of the Christmas Advent Bunting calendar. Previously, in part 1, we'd made the pockets, and in part 2, we sewed the numbers onto the pockets. And now in part 3, we are going to sew all the pockets, all 24 of the pockets, onto the string to complete our calendar. For those people who haven't watched my previous 2 videos, I'll just run over a quick overview of the things that we did and prepared. So first, we chose our festive colours. Some deers, trees, some snowflakes, stars, festive colours. And then we needed our plain piece of fabric. As in one pocket, you have the coloured, and on the other side, you've got the white. So one pocket has 4 sides. After the pockets, we did the numbers. For my method, I first printed them out, and then I cut out the printed numbers. I then used pen and traced them onto some fabric. You can choose different colours or the same colours. And then I cut out the numbers from the fabric and sewed them onto the pocket. But remember, always first sew them onto the top of the pocket before onto the bottom of the pocket, otherwise they'll be sewed together. For some people who are really good with their hands, they might just choose to write it straight onto the fabric, but I've chosen to print them out.
For the bunting, what do we need? The string! I've decided to get a coloured fabric and then fold it in half and iron it to make it fold a bit easier. Then tuck in the edges, as you can see I've done here. And then
what you do is get out your finished pocket, open the flap, put the pocket inside, put the flap over and sew it together, and it's done. Now for the spaces, I decided to put it around 5-6 centimeters apart. You might want to do it wider or closer together. And one last thing, if you want to be a bit more creative, you can decorate it with ribbons. At home, I've got these nice ribbons to decorate it. I've decided to choose one of these and sew it onto the string. I've got stripes, got some trees, some stars. Some were saying Merry Christmas, and some nice snowflakes here. But before you do anything, you must remember to leave some string for you to tie it on something. I've left around 60 centimeters, but you can leave how much you want to suit you. As you can see, I've already done 1, 2, and 3, and now I'm going to sew on to number 4. I've left around 4 centimeters in between. After every time I've sewed one on, I'll measure around 4 centimeters and then leave a light mark where it is, so I know where to sew it onto. We've now all finished sewing the pockets onto the string, and we've completely finished the Christmas Advent Bunting calendar. As you can see, it looks quite nice without the ribbons, so I've decided to leave it until next year. Also, at the start of the video, I mentioned a mistake that we made, so please comment down below if you spotted that mistake. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to Bunny House for more videos.